In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate free leads using ChatGPT. By following these steps, you'll be able to leverage the power of AI to assist in gathering valuable business contacts without any cost. So let's dive in and uncover each step in this process. First, you need to head over to the ChatGPT website. If you're unfamiliar with ChatGPT, it's a language model AI that can help generate and refine text-based content. Once you're on the site, prepare to type in a specific prompt that will guide the AI in executing the task efficiently. With your prompt in mind, input it into the ChatGPT interface. This is a critical part as the quality and clarity of your prompt can significantly impact the results. Think of your prompt as a conversation starter, clearly outlining what you need and specifying any particular details or criteria such as industries or locations you're targeting. Next, you'll want to get a list of company leads that could be potential contacts. A handy way to do this is through a detailed company search. Using a search engine, you can target company leaders or founders based in regions such as Canada, the United States, or the United Kingdom. To streamline this, use search queries that include keywords related to startups or business owners. Once you have your search results, it's time to copy and paste these leads into a document or a notepad. This step is crucial as it organizes your findings, making them easy to manage and analyze. Make sure you capture all relevant information like names, positions, and company details. The next step is to take these leads and integrate them with your ChatGPT prompt. By pasting your collected leads alongside the initial prompt in ChatGPT, you're giving the AI a clearer picture of the context you're working within. This integration is where the magic happens as ChatGPT processes the information to help craft outreach messages or even analyze data trends relevant to your business needs. After pasting your leads and accompanying prompt into ChatGPT, click on the send button. By doing so, you're initiating the AI's process, allowing it to work on the task you've set. This will generate tailored responses or information based on the leads you provided. Lastly, you'll receive an output that may include compiled data or even a downloadable file like the company list 2024.csv that you can use for further exploration. This CSV file will neatly format your data, making it easy to filter and sort through the leads you've amassed. And there you have it, an efficient, cost-free method to access unlimited business leads using the power of ChatGPT. This simple yet effective process showcases how AI can be a game changer in business development, allowing you access to resources that can propel your ventures forward. Happy lead generation!